Welcome to Target Language English. Our topic today is the structure of the future perfect tense. To form the future perfect tense, we use will, have, and the past participle of the main verb. Regular verbs form the past participle by adding ed to the base verb. Work, worked. Finish, finished. Jump, jumped. Play, played. But not all regular verbs form the past participle by simply adding ed. There are some spelling exceptions. For example, the verbs dance, hope, love, and ini. We only add d to form the past participle. Danced, hoped, loved. Next, the verb try ends in a y, and there is also a consonant before the y. To form the past participle, we need to change the y into I and then add ed. Try, tried. But if there is a vowel in front of y, we keep the y and simply add ed. For example, play, played. One-syllable verbs ending in a single short vowel and a single consonant double the final consonant before adding ed. The verb stop is a one-syllable verb. It ends in a single short vowel and a single consonant. To form the past participle, we need to double the final consonant and then add ed. Stop, stopped. It's the same with jog, jogged, plan, planned. But if a verb ends in an x, we do not double the final x. Mix, mixed. Fix, fixed. We double the final consonant of multisyllable verbs if the verb ends in a short vowel and a single consonant, and if the last syllable is stressed. For example, the verb prefer has two syllables. The stress is on the second syllable, and the verb ends in one short vowel and one consonant. So to form the past participle, we double the final consonant and add ed. Prefer, preferred. It is the same with occur, occurred, admit, admitted. But remember, if a verb ends in an x, we do not double it. Relax, relaxed. Those were the spelling exceptions of regular verbs. Now let's move on to irregular verbs. We call them irregular verbs because they do not follow the standard ed pattern when forming the past participle. For example, the past participle of the verb go is gone. Choose, chosen. Find, found. Make, made. Give, given. Do, done. Have, had. Let, put, put. As you can see from these examples, irregular verbs do not have a consistent pattern, so their past participle forms must be memorized. Let's now move on to the affirmative or positive form of the future perfect tense. We'll use the regular verb work and the irregular verb go. Work, singular. I will have worked, you will have worked, he will have worked, she will have worked, it will have worked. Plural, we will have worked, you will have worked, they will have worked. The verb go, singular. I will have gone, you will have gone, he will have gone, she will have gone, it will have gone. Plural, we will have gone, you will have gone, they will have gone. You can see that the verb forms are the same for all subjects. Will have worked and will have gone. We can contract the affirmative by combining the subject and will. Work, singular. I'll have worked, you'll have worked, he'll have worked, she'll have worked, it'll have worked. Plural, we'll have worked, you'll have worked, they'll have worked. The verb go, singular. I'll have gone, you'll have gone, he'll have gone, she'll have gone, it'll have gone. Plural, we'll have gone, you'll have gone, they'll have gone. In the negative, we insert not between will and have. Work, singular. I will not have worked, you will not have worked, he will not have worked, she will not have worked, it will not have worked. Plural, we will not have worked, you will not have worked, they will not have worked. The verb go, singular. I will not have gone, you will not have gone, he will not have gone, she will not have gone, it will not have gone. Plural, we will not have gone, you will not have gone, they will not have gone. We can contract the negative. Will not becomes won't. Work, singular. I won't have worked, you won't have worked, he won't have worked, she won't have worked, it won't have worked. Plural, we won't have worked, you won't have worked, they won't have worked. Go, singular. I won't have gone, you won't have gone, he won't have gone, she won't have gone, it won't have gone. Plural, we won't have gone, you won't have gone, they won't have gone. In the interrogative or question form, we move will in front of the subject. Work, singular. Will I have worked? Will you have worked? Will he have worked? Will she have worked? Will it have worked? Plural, will we have worked? Will you have worked? Will they have worked? Go, singular. Will I have gone? Will you have gone? Will he have gone? Will she have gone? Will it have gone? Plural, will we have gone? Will you have gone? Will they have gone? To form the negative interrogative, we keep the interrogative word order and we insert not right after the subject. Work, singular. Will I not have worked? Will you not have worked? Will he not have worked? Will she not have worked? Will it not have worked? Plural, will we not have worked? Will you not have worked? Will they not have worked? Go, singular. Will I not have gone? Will you not have gone? Will he not have gone? Will she not have gone? Will it not have gone? Plural, will we not have gone? Will you not have gone? Will they not have gone? We can contract by combining will and not, which becomes won't. Work, singular. Won't I have worked? Won't you have worked? Won't he have worked? Won't she have worked? Won't it have worked? Plural, won't we have worked? Won't you have worked? Won't they have worked? The verb go, singular. Won't I have gone? Won't you have gone? Won't he have gone? Won't she have gone? Won't it have gone? Plural, won't we have gone? Won't you have gone? Won't they have gone? And that's it for today's lesson on the structure of the future perfect tense. If you found this helpful, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.